Geotechnical investigation services in Ahamedpur Chauroli play a crucial role in the successful completion of construction projects. These services involve the assessment of soil and rock properties to determine their suitability for various engineering purposes. Geotechnical investigations are conducted by experienced professionals who use advanced techniques and equipment to gather data about the subsurface conditions at a site. Ahamedpur Chauroli, a rapidly developing area, requires geotechnical investigation services to ensure the safety and stability of its infrastructure projects. With the increasing demand for residential and commercial buildings, it is essential to understand the characteristics of the soil and rock formations in the region. Geotechnical investigations help in identifying potential hazards such as landslides, soil liquefaction, and foundation instability, which can have severe consequences if not addressed during the design and construction phases. Geotechnical investigation services in Ahamedpur Chauroli involve several steps. Initially, site reconnaissance is conducted to gather information about the topography, geology, and existing structures in the area. This helps in determining the appropriate locations for soil sampling and testing. The next step involves drilling boreholes and extracting soil samples for laboratory testing. These tests assess the physical and mechanical properties of the soil, including its density, strength, permeability, and compressibility. SCON stands for Safe Bearing Capacity of Natural Soils. It refers to the maximum load that can be applied to a soil without causing shear failure or excessive settlement. By conducting thorough geotechnical investigations, engineers can design structures that can withstand potential hazards and provide a solid foundation for development in Ahamedpur Chauroli. Ahamedpur Chauroli's geotechnical investigation services are essential to the effective completion of construction projects. These services entail evaluating the characteristics of rock and soil to ascertain whether they are suitable for various engineering uses. To acquire information regarding the subsurface conditions at a location, qualified professionals undertake geotechnical investigations using cutting-edge methods and tools. Geotechnical investigation services are needed in Ahamedpur Chauroli because of the area's rapid development to guarantee the security and stability of its infrastructure projects. Understanding the local soil and rock formation features is crucial, given the rising demand for residential and commercial constructions. When possible risks like landslides, soil liquefaction, and unstable foundations are not taken into consideration during the design and construction phases, it can have serious repercussions. Geotechnical investigations assist in detecting these risks. There are numerous procedures involved in geotechnical investigation services in Ahamedpur Chauroli. The first step is to undertake a site reconnaissance to learn more about the topography, geology, and existing structures in the region. This aids in picking the best spots for soil collection and testing. The following phase entails